Hi everyone. There's so much things to do in Dubai, but how much of it is kid friendly
Can be done indoors to avoid the summer heat.
and won't break the bank?
Here are 8 fun things we discovered this summer that are under 40 dirhams. Thuraya Astronomy Center is located inside Mushrif Park. It still hasn't had its grand opening, but visitors are welcome. The planetarium shows 20 dirhams per person and the telescopic view is 10. Although the 2-meter rock collection and the robotics section are still not ready, we were lucky to be shown both. However, these will soon be open for workshops.
Was no time or anything else.
Mirzam Chocolate Makers is located in Al Serkal Avenue. They offer a chocolate dipping adventure for kids 3 times a week, and it's only 37 dirhams per child. This includes a factory tour to learn how the chocolate bars are made, starting from roasting the beans to hand wrapping each bar. Kids will then enjoy dipping different treats in melted chocolate and design their own chocolate wrappers. Parents can tag along or relax at the cafe. The free slide at Mercato Mall is open every day of the week, except a couple of hours per day when it's under maintenance. The mall basically converted one of its escalators into a slide that can be enjoyed by both kids and adults. Back to Games is a shop located in Times Square Mall that sells an amazing collection of board and card games as well as miniatures and puzzles. You can have a seat at one of the many tables and play as many games as you want from the trial section. The staff are friendly and will assist you if you have any questions.
It might be hard to do it.
Every Monday, the Blue Swipe games and rides at Fun City are for 1 dirhams per swipe across the UAE. There are 6 branches in Dubai and they're all located in or beside a mall, so parking isn't an issue. Every Saturday between 4 and 6 p.m., your kids can make their own pizza at Pizza Express for 30 dirhams. There are 7 branches in Dubai, but we went to the restaurant behind Park and Shop on Al Wasl Road, and the team were absolutely fantastic.
Slowly, slowly. Make it slowly like this.
During summer, IKEA offer fun 1-hour educational workshops every Monday for kids ages 6 to 12. The children learn to decorate house items, recycle, and play games, while parents can have a snack at the IKEA restaurant. Just make sure you register online in advance. Vox Cinemas have many offers to choose from when you're taking your kids to watch a movie. Use your credit or debit card to avail discounts on movie tickets or get 2 tickets for the price of 1 with due Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and will subscribe to our channel.